Welcome back to the channel, and this is our microwave, which evidently has got some kind of issue with the screen. I'm not entirely sure what's gone on here, and I certainly hope it's not cockroaches or something like that. I mean, we are very fastidious about getting rid of such things, but that display is definitely wonky. There's at least two, and I think it's three of the little character things. Oh, have gone wrong, plus what happened there with the time. So what I'm going to do is take the case off, have a look, use some electrical cleaner, that kind of thing, and check out what's gone wrong. Right, there's a very stubborn screw in the back here. Can't take it out, so what I'm going to do is to Dremel a line across and use a regular screwdriver to take it out, because it's one of those star shaped ones. So I'll use the power cube here, which creates the mains. Alright, so that's the line put in it, so we can turn off the power cube now and remove that final screw. Obviously don't do this at home if you're not competent with electrical stuff. There are some very high voltages probably still installed on capacitors and whatnot. But yeah, we haven't got money at the moment to buy a new microwave, so I've got to fix this one. Next thing, get that screw out and take the top off. Alright, so this very clean panel here is the main control board at the front. What I think I'll do is I'll take out the screws that I can see, hopefully not needing the Dremel, and have a good look over it. So here are all the electrical connections taken off, and this green thing is the main connector from the front panel to the board itself. It connects in where you can see that green there. So functions wise, I was wondering whether something got stuck and that's why the clock did something. I don't think so though, but otherwise this appears to be in a really good nick. It seems to be coated with something, maybe a water barrier, moisture barrier, I'm not sure, but it looks okay. So I think, well, the next thing to do is to spray around these contacts, I think, with the contact cleaner that I've got. See how that goes. But I'm really at a loss, because I did expect to see some corrosion or something, you know, missing trays and eating through trays, perhaps in moisture or something like that. Well, this is a bit of a classic actually. You know that phrase, I was today years old? I was today years old when I saw something for the first time. And that was, I was looking at this board and I'm thinking, what's with all those buttons down the side? I can't see them anywhere. Well, then I opened the door and I've used this microwave how many times and never seen those settings going down for potatoes and things. Good heavens, the things you learn, eh? Anyway, this strip here is where the contacts appear to be for the display. So I'm going to get the contact cleaner and do this fairly liberally, and maybe try and move things around a little bit too to make sure they're properly seated, all of them. And next, now as I've done that, is to put this back together inside the microwave, turn the thing on and see if there's a change in the display. Obviously I don't recommend doing this at home either, but we can then see if that cleaning has done anything. Alright, that's all the connections back on, and now I'll connect it up to power and see what happens. So, may as well use this power cube again. I'm not going to be using the microwave, just powering it on, you know, the switch in the wall and ready. So, let's see. Oh, we fixed one by the look of it. Looks like that zero's cleared up. We've still got something missing on there. So I believe what that means is I should do some more cleaning in a similar way, but it looks like we've got one back at least, maybe two. So I'll put some more contact cleaner on the back here and then put a screwdriver pushing those little pins left and right, jiggling them. Hopefully that means it might work. So I'll switch on again. Nope, same as. So try a third time. Third time lucky. Now this time around I've been putting, well, I sprayed some stuff down there where these little lines go through to the back, and then I'm putting the screwdriver in and wiggling left and right on each one just to make sure it is all freed up and will be clean. Well, the short story is that it still didn't work. That's one piece is still not lit up at the top. So I've took the module out. I realised that just these connections here, these little bits of plastic, were keeping it in, and so I pulled it out, used some sandpaper on the pins. I'll put it back together and try that. And the answer this time is... oh no, still not working. Unless by some weird quirk of fate that's an error, because it's not together. I've not got that green thing plugged in and whatever. You never know. I'll put it back together and try that. Right, it's all back together and back in place, and as you can see there's still the problem there. I'll set the time on it. And as you can see, it's still missing digits. So my question to all you wonderful people is, what have I missed? Is there something that I should have done, checked, cleaned up? You've seen me clean the things up and use the electrical spray. I've used the sandpaper and it still doesn't work, and I'm at a loss now for what to do, because otherwise the thing runs great. But if you do have any advice, please leave a comment below. It'd be wonderful to get this fixed. Okay, thanks very much for watching.